PM Narendra Modi addresses nation through his Mann Ki Baat radio speech, says India is faring better than other countries in tackling COVID-19, applauds many Indians for their selfless work in fight against the deadly pandemic. PM speaks about migrant workers, says he's pained by the sufferings of these migrants. PM added poor migrant workers have been the worst affected due to COVID-19, assures that nation stands with them at all point of time. India registers yet another highest spike of 8,380 COVID-19 cases. Active COVID-19 cases stands at 89,995 in India. 86,983 people have recovered and have been discharged. India's COVID-19 death toll stands at 5,164. 141 fresh COVID-19 cases reported in Karnataka, taking the total tally to 2,922 on Saturday, with one new death being reported. The death toll due to COVID-19 in the state has risen to 49. Active cases stands at 1,874. State government to issue directive on Unlock 1.0 shortly. Lockdown 4.0 will come to an end today in the state. New guidelines to come into force from tomorrow on the 1st of June. Headache for BS Yediyurappa as dissidents brews within the party. BJP rebel leaders to meet yet again. Katti brothers to chair meet once again with North Karnataka BJP leaders and put forth their demands in front of BS Yediyurappa. State BJP thinking about the future and trying to find a successor for BS Yediyurappa. Disgruntled BJP MLAs not happy with BY Vijayendra's name doing the rounds. Plan to protest against the party if BY Vijayendra will be chosen as BS Yediyurappa's successor. Congress leader Kapil Sibal questions Prime Minister Narendra Modi, asks how much money did the latter give to labourers from PM CARES fund. Kapil Sibal requested Prime Minister to answer his question, saying many people died during the lockdown period. Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut blames Namaste Trump event for the spread of COVID-19 in Gujarat and later to Mumbai and Delhi. Raut, while continuing his tirade against the centre, claimed lockdown was not properly implemented across the entire country. And protest intensifies in United States over George Floyd's death. National Guards called by 6 states to get the situation under control. African American died while in police custody.